In this video, I would love to take one more thing I feel you need to know on that ratio, and the best way to do this is to take an example. So let's take an example. So we've got this question. There are 180 girls in a mixed school. If the ratio of girls to boys is 4:3, find the total number of students in the school. Now what we've done previously is to either find the number of girls or to find the number of boys. But in this case, we are told to find the total number of students in the school. So how do we solve a question like this? Now what we are going to do is to go from what they gave us to what we do not know. Does that make sense? So look, we're told that there are 180 girls in a mixed school. So we're given the total number of girls. So number of girls equals to 180. Can you see? Now we're also given the ratio of girls to boys. So we have ratio of girls to boys equals to 4:3. And then we are asked to find the total number of students. Can you see? Now since we're given the number of girls as 180, the way to get the total number of students is to solve for the number of girls as though we're not given the number of girls. What I mean by this is that since we're given the number of girls, all I need to do is to write the formula for getting the number of girls. I will have number of girls equals to girls ratio all over total ratio. I hope you can still remember this formula. Times total students. Alright, so we've got this formula. So what we are going to do is to slot in the values we have. So this number of girls, we know number of girls as 180, so I'll put 180 equals to, girls ratio is 4. So we have 4 over total ratio, 4 plus 3, times total students, we don't know it, that's what we are told to find. So I can represent it as T. And we can have it as T over 1. Do you understand? So let's do the remaining somewhere here. We'll be having 180 equals to 4 all over. 4 plus 3 is 7 times T over 1. Do you understand? So we have 180 equals to 4 times T is 40 all over. 7 times 1 is 7. And remember, we can put this as over 1. So when we have one fraction on either side of the equals to, we can cross multiply. Does that make sense? So 40 times 1 will give us 40 equals to 180 times 7. So I can put 180 times 7. If you like, you can multiply it, you will still get the same thing. So to find T, I have to divide both sides by 4. So we have 4 here 1, 4 here 1, I'm left with T equals to 4 here 1, 4 in 18 will give me 4 remainder 2, 4 in 20 is 5, so I'm left with 45 times 7. So T equals to 45 times 7, 7 times 5 is 35, 5 carry 3, 4 times 7 is 28, 28 plus 3 will give us 31. So we have the total number of students is 315. And here's our answer. Do you understand?